Let's check Telegram last seen if hidden. Now open up the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android. There's a way to be able to see somebody's last seen if they share it with you. And you can do that by getting into the contacts, and usually it will sort it by last seen. Now keep in mind, this is a setting within Telegram that allows you to see when people are online or not online. You can see Carolyn at the very top, last seen 8 hours ago. And at the very bottom, a couple of people that were seen a long time ago. However, there might be somebody that is not on that list. If they are not on that list, they're not sharing, or they've kept the last seen as hidden. Now, there's no direct way to be able to see when they were exactly online apart from sending them a message. So there is a trick to be able to do this. Let's say you open up a conversation with somebody and says it was last seen a long time ago, or maybe it just doesn't say when they were online at all. Now, the only option that you have is to send them a message. And if you send them a message, you'll be able to see if you swipe over that little check mark on there. So that little check mark, if you see it, indicates that it has been sent to the person, but it will have 2 check marks if it's been read by the other person. That's essentially what you're hoping for, is if they've turned off the last seen feature, there's no way to be able to see when they were online, but you could try sending them a message and seeing if they read it. Then you'll get a good indication that they're currently online and reading your messages.